The Center for Afghanistan, Middle East and Africa at the Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, organized an event to express solidarity with the people of Palestine on the Global Day of the Action for Gaza. Mr. Nader Turk, Deputy Head of the Palestine Mission in Pakistan, joined on the occasion Ambassador Sohail Mahmood, Director General ISSI, Ambassador Khalid Mahmood, Chairman BOG ISSI, Director the Center for Afghanistan, Middle East and Africa, Ms. Amna Khan, and members of team, the Center for Afghanistan, Middle East and Africa were present. Ambassador Sohail Mahmood, in his remarks, emphasized Pakistan's abiding support for the legitimate cause of the Palestinian people and a just solution through the establishment of an independent, viable, sovereign and contiguous Palestinian state along the pre-June 1967 border with Al-Qaeda al-Sharif as its capital. He reiterated the Ministry of Foreign Affairs stance regarding Pakistan's support for South Africa's application before the International Court of Justice concerning Israel's violation of its obligations under the 1951 Genocide Convention in relation to the Palestinian people in Gaza. He asserted that the relentless military operations by Israel against the Palestinians could not be deemed justifiable under the pretext of self-defense, expressing solidarity with the Palestinian people over the enormous human losses incurred due to Israel onslaught. He also underscores Pakistan's stance for an immediate and unconditional ceasefire. Ms. Amina Khan, while expressing her views, stated that Pakistan will continue to stand firmly with the people of Palestine until the legitimate rights of the people are achieved. She strongly condemned Israel's systematic and brutal occupation tantamount to genocide and called for the lifting of the inhuman siege and urgent need for a ceasefire. Mr. Nader Turk highlighted the dire conditions faced by Palestinian civilians, especially children and women, in the Gaza Strip. He referred to the ongoing situation as genocide and also said that Palestinians are resilient and determined to uphold their rights until justice is served. Speaking about the solidarity and support from Pakistan, he expressed gratitude for the continuous historic support extended by the government and people of Pakistan. Mr. Turk commended the visionary stance of Pakistan's founder, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, regarding Palestine. He also termed the relationship between Pakistan and Palestine as deep and expressed his belief that it will continue to grow stronger. Ambassador Khalid Mahmood reiterated Pakistan's support for Palestine and stressed the urgent need for a ceasefire, which he said was the responsibility of the international community.